So let's just talk about diamond shape problem in Python. So the diamond shape problem occurs when a class inherits from two classes that both inherit from a common base class. Like an example, suppose we have one base class A. Now from the base class we have two child class B and C. Now we have another child class D which is inheriting from B and the C. Now if the class D tries to call a method from the class A, in that case, so it is not clear whether to use the method from the class B or the method from the class C, because this method X is available through the class B and also through the class C because of the inheritance. So here we have this ambiguity, and this is called the diamond shape problem because it has the shape like a diamond. So first of all we have the class A which has the method show. Now this method prints. Now also we have a class B which is inheriting from the class A, and it also has a method show. Here it prints class B. And also we have another class C, and that class also inheriting from the class A. Here also we have the method show. Here it prints class C. So the class C and B both are inheriting from the class A. Now suppose we have the child class D. This class is inheriting from the class B and the class C. So the class B will have the method from C, class B, and also from the class A. So now if we create one object of the class D and then we use that object, and if we call the show method, then there is ambiguity about which method to call. And to resolve this, Python uses MRO, method resolution order. So every class has their MRO or method resolution order, and we can access that using the MRO method. So we can use the class d.mro. It will return the MRO of that class. So let's just print this. Here we have the method resolution order. So first of all we have the class D. So first of all it will check for the method in the class D itself, and then we have the class B which is the parent class, then we have the class C, and then we have the class A, and at last we have the class object. So now if we call d.show, so first of all it will check in the class D itself, then it will check in the parent class, the class B, which is in the method resolution order. So if we run that, so we are getting class B as the output. So now suppose the class B do not have any show method, so in that case it will look in the method resolution order, and next we have the class C, so it should call the class C show method. So you can see here we have the class C show method. Now suppose the class C also do not have any show method, in that case it should call this class A show method. So here you can see we have the class A. So the possible solution of the diamond problem is that we can use the super method which ensures that the next class in this MRO will be executed. Like an example here, so suppose we have the show method inside the child class. Now from here we can use the super.show, and this will make sure that it will call the show method of this parent class B. So here we have the output class B. And also we can avoid this diamond structure, and we can favor some composition over this multiple inheritance. And also we can just explicitly call any method using the class name. So we can write a.show, and this way we are explicitly saying that invoke the show method of this parent class A, and here we have the output class A. So hope you understand about the diamond shape problem in Python. See you in the next one. Take care.